Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook cocktail shrimp. Preparing this classic appetizer is surprisingly easy, and with a few simple steps, you'll be serving up perfectly cooked, succulent shrimp every time. We'll cover everything from choosing the best shrimp at the market to the quick cooking methods that ensure they're tender and flavorful. Get ready to impress your guests with this elegant and effortless dish. The first step to amazing cocktail shrimp is selecting the right ingredients. Look for fresh, raw shrimp or high-quality frozen options. If using frozen, remember to thaw them slowly in the refrigerator overnight or quickly under cold running water. Once thawed, it's time to peel and devene them. You can leave the tails on for a more elegant presentation, which also makes them easier to dip. Cooking cocktail shrimp is incredibly fast. You can either boil them in a pot of generously salted water or steam them for a slightly more delicate texture. For boiling, drop them into rapidly boiling water and cook for just 1 to 3 minutes until they turn pink and opaque. If steaming, it will take about 2 to 4 minutes. The key is to watch them closely and remove them immediately once cooked to avoid overcooking, which can make them tough. Once your shrimp are perfectly cooked, it's crucial to immediately plunge them into an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and helps them retain their firm, tender texture. Let them chill in the ice bath for a few minutes, then drain and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or until thoroughly cold. Serve your beautiful cocktail shrimp with a zesty cocktail sauce and fresh lemon wedges for a truly delightful appetizer that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.